Hi there, I'm Michael, that's Erika, and we both want to show you a partner dance called Honeybees to the song Honeybee by Shelton. It's a 32 count circle partner dance with an easy restart. So let's start with the steps. Start in the three-part position. We do the same footwork. Our weight is on the left and we start with the right foot. Section 1. Step, block, step, cross, coaster, cross, side. Section 2 is a rock, pick up, shuffle right forward, next turn, and shuffle left forward. Section 3, cross rock, pick up, chasse to the right, cross rock. Back after, chasse to the left. The last section, section 4, we both do a step turn to the left. We release our right hands and raise up the left. First to a chance head, step, half turn, and then the ladies head, step, half turn. Change the hands, release the left, we join the right, and the gents do two shuffle forward, right and left, and the ladies two half shuffle turns. Shuffle 1 and shuffle 2. Rejoining into the sweetheart position and restart the dance. Let's put it together with the counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Now go on to the restart. It's a simple restart like I told you before. At round 3, we dance the first 16 counts and just restart the dance. For example, step, clock, step, cross, coaster, cross and side, rock, bring up, shuffle, turn the girl and shuffle and restart with step, clock, step, cross, coaster, cross, and so on. Have fun. See you on the floor. Bye bye.